Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a triangle in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to empty file, and after that you need to select here create body, you need to go to create sketch, and then you need to select one from available attachments. So I select here XY plane and I click OK button to finish this task. Then you need to check if you are in the sketcher mode. It is very important to check it. And after that you need to click on this option to create a regular polygon, because here you can find triangle options. So I select this option and now I create here a simple triangle, maybe something like that. You can type here number of millimeters, for example 15th, and if you will press tab you will be able to type here an angle. So for example I type here 30 and I press enter. Then your triangle will be successfully created here. So now you can display here some information about this triangle if you want. For example, I select here second line, I click right mouse button on it, and I select here horizontal distance. Then I click OK button, and how you see it is visible here. I will undo the changes, and for example, I will display it here another dimension. So I click right mouse button on second line, and I select here vertical distance. Then I click OK button, and how you see it is visible here. And the last option I recommend you to know is horizontal and vertical constraint. If you want to use this option, you need to select line where you want to use it. For example, I click right mouse button on the second line and I select here vertical constraint. After that, our object will be modified. So in this way you can create and edit triangles in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.